Hello, welcome to memoQ in 90 seconds. Today, using find and replace in multiple files. To perform find and replace across multiple files, first select the files, unless you want to search through all of them. Then press Ctrl H. Enter the search string and replacement text. Here you can also enable regular expressions and case sensitivity. Next, define the scope of your search. You can enable additional options for matching and formatting patterns. And now let's look for our first match by clicking Find Next. To list all occurrences, click Find All. Navigate through the list with Control arrow up or down. Perform the replacement with Control and space, or do it in batch by selecting multiple occurrences and clicking Replace this, and replace in selected rows. You can also do a batch replacement directly from the Find and Replace window by clicking Replace All. Thank you for watching.